Every day, creative minds worldwide invent tech gadgets that make our lives much easier than before. Recently, the market of e-bikes and bicycles has seen a boom in its demand, which has resulted in many innovative and amazing gadgets. In today's video, we will be showing you 10 such gadgets you might need for yourself or your loved ones. So without further ado, let's get started with our list. Number 1. ARGO Cargo Kit. The ARGO Cargo Kit is one of the most affordable and simple ways to turn your ordinary bike into a cargo bike in no time, invented by Scott Taylor, a bike shop owner. The main purpose of this is to make it easier for you to turn your bike into a cargo bike without buying a new cargo bike. You have to get the carrier and attach it hassle-free with the bike you already own. It's up to you how you use the ARGO Cargo. You can use it to take your children on a ride, run errands, carry dogs, and even for your business deliveries and advertising. The ARGO box comprises high-quality birch plywood known for its excellent strength and stiffness properties. The design is perfectly finished to stay smooth, easy to clean, and painted several times with child-safe paint. It also has a removable seat for your little one, can carry 2 children, and has a capacity of 68 kg or 150 pounds. The whole box is easy to assemble and customizable. The overall frame and fork of the box are constructed of chromoly steel, the same used in airplanes and race cars, and stainless steel where corrosion might occur. The whole length of the finished bike will vary based on your bike size, but the kit is approximately 170 centimeters in length. You can buy your ARGO Cargo from their official website. Their delivery services are offered to most countries around the world. Number 2. Foldylock Compact. Foldylock Compact is one of the folding locks of the CD lock, which specializes in bike seats and locks. It is a folding bike lock that actually knows how to protect your bike. At 1 kg or 2.2 pounds, the Foldylock is one of the best lightweight locks in the market. The lock is perfect for securing your bikes and scooters with rattle-free and smooth operation mechanics. It folds neatly and compactly into its mounting case. The lock has a circumference of 85 centimeters or 33.5 inches when locked. It is 18.9 centimeters or 7.45 inches long and 6 centimeters or 2.35 inches wide when mounted in its case. The Compact is unbreakable and unhackable, whether you try to cut it with a hacksaw, break the rivet with hammer and chisel, freeze its rivet or cylinder, or even use a professional bolt cutter. It will only open with its key, and the lock will still be intact after several attempts to break it. Isn't it the perfect lock you want for your bike? You can order the Foldylock Compact from the official website of CD Lock or Amazon. Number 3. Monkeycycle. A balance bike is one of the best things to teach children balance skills. But many bikes made for children are not made while keeping the children in mind. They are just heavy, expensive toys. Anthony R. Webb, creator and CEO of Monkeycycle, experienced the same thing when he started to design Monkeycycle in 2015. Monkeycycle is a bike that grows with your child. You don't have to buy a new one when your 2-year-old grows 6 years old. Monkeycycle can be altered into 8 different styles with the help of a kit for your child of 9 months up to 6 years, from a stroller, trike, balance bike low, balance bike high, pedal bike, tadpole trike, pedal bike to a quad. The bike system relies on clever geometry and selective components, enabling it to span a large age range. Monkeycycle has a chromo frame made up of US steel with Tektro front and back disc brakes having child-friendly stainless steel rotors. Monkeycycle also has super light magnesium alloy wheels with sealed bearings and air tires. You can also adjust the seat post. All these specs make Monkeycycle the best bike to buy for your child. Number 4. HEXAGON. An innovative solution by SmartBike, HEXAGON is an ultimate safety device for cyclists with a full HD rear-view camera, smart sensors, and a complimentary app. It makes your bike safer and smarter by connecting it with your smartphone. You can view the traffic behind you and give signals to cars all through your smartphone. HEXAGON is also equipped with an automatic stop signal to ensure your safety on the road. It is also equipped with parental controls. If you are a parent of a bike enthusiast child, it is the best device to track your child's real-time speed, location, and routes. The device is also very easy to install and remove from your bike. HEXAGON's live streaming feature allows you to live stream your bike rides and share cool cycling tricks with your friends all around the world. The device is equally lovable for both professional and non-professional riders. It makes your bike ride safe, connected, and more fun than before. Number 5. Moto Parilla Carbon. Moto Parilla Carbon is an e-bike manufactured and designed by Moto Parilla, an Italian bike company enthusiastic about designing unconventional Italian e-bikes. Moto Parilla Carbon is the unique cutting-edge e-bike on the planet. Every bike is made with its own mold, making it a unique and desired e-bike. It has an upper carbon chassis and a lower CNC frame. The bike has an amazing look and feel. Moto Parilla Carbon is 25 miles per hour and the manufacturer claimed 49 miles range. Carbon is designed to offer you control and comfort throughout your rides. It is equipped with high-level parts from Nuvinci rear hub to Tektro upgraded oversized brakes. Up to the present, Carbon is one of the most visualized and desired electric vehicles worldwide. It is present in limited edition, factory, Mimetica, and Ultra models in the global market. Number 6. Retyre Modular Tire System. The biggest problem bikers face is changing tires. Retyre is the world's first modular tire system that has compacted the tire changing process to a minute, making year-round biking an easier and fun experience. Retyre is highly durable, and the tire skin remains firmly attached even at high speed or sharp cornering. The Retyre modular system can be mounted on any paddle and electric bike. The Retyre modular system is integrated with zip-on technology, which allows you to adapt your tire tread in seconds. The system consists of Retyre 1, the base tire, Retyre skins, and patented zip-on technology. The skin change is very easy. All you have to do is select a skin from 4 different skins offered by Retyre, including a trail, off-road, and 2 winter options. Unmount the already attached skin, reattach the new one with the integrated zipper, and you're good to go. Another good thing about the skins is that they can be easily packed in bags. Retyre is your all-in-one tire gear that requires no tools for its mounting and unmounting. Number 7. DURO Rise. The DURO Rise electric motorbike is a perfect combination of a classic motorcycle and modern e-bike technology founded by Alden A. Kelly and Mike Chapman to give you an adventure you never had before. DURO Rise is a blast to ride and a fully capable motorbike whether you're on roads or trails. It only weighs 80 pounds, has a steel frame with a top speed of 28 miles per hour. Going up is just as fun as going down, with its 7 gears transmission paired with a powerful motor setup and hydraulic disc brakes. You also have complete control over its speed with 9 levels of motor power assistance. You can explore for a range of up to 40 miles with a single charge from the standard wall plugs already installed in your home. You can go on an adventure on any trail with adjustable front and rear suspension confidently and at any time of the day or night with a 2000 lumen headlight and brake taillight. If you're a biker who loves both classic and modern bikes, DURO Rise is the perfect blend for you. Number 8. Unit 1 FARO. The main problem cyclists face in the urban city is that they are not visible to drivers at night, making them prone to accidents. Along with this, most helmets are heavy, ugly, and uncomfortable. So, Unit 1 came up with FARO, a smart urban helmet to eliminate this problem. It has a sleek and minimalistic design to make you visible and look good at the same time. FARO has powerful front and rear lights and Unit 1's signature 40 LED hidden lights. All the lights are fully customizable with the FARO app on your smartphone. FARO also features an upgrade of automatic brake lights and an integrated turn signal through a handlebar remote control. This helmet has 5-vent ventilation, a sealed and waterproof design, a magnetic buckle, and above all, is lightweight. MIPS is also available as an optional upgrade. So what are you waiting for? Add this sleek helmet to your ultimate gear collection. Number 9. Stroke Cargo Trike. Cargo electric bikes are the favorite of many bikers because of their storage capacity. The Stroke Cargo Trike, designed by the Japanese company Envision, is such a bike. At only 1.9 meters long, it has a minimal footprint and is only 50 centimeters wider, almost equal to the length of the handles of a conventional bicycle. The surround loop frame of the trunk makes it different from other cargo bikes. This large enclosed trunk in the middle of the bike is much more stable with increasing weight. The Stroke's trunk is also removable and trackable as a large suitcase. The Trike also features a tilting design, just as a 2-wheeled bicycle leans into turns. It makes the riding thrilling and enjoyable even with heavy loads. The tilting front wheels of the Trike are visible to the rider, and the double steering linkage is direct and light despite the middle cargo space. It is a perfect cargo bike for cargo bike enthusiasts. Number 10. Bosch Kiox. Cars come with an inbuilt navigation system, but when it comes to traditional or e-bikes, riders only have their phones to rely on for navigation. It isn't easy to mount your mobile on the bike. That's why Bosch came up with an onboard computer Kiox that offers the rider a smart e-bike experience. It offers sporty e-bikers across to the digital world with the help of the eBike Connect smartphone app and enables them to navigate their way. Kiox has a compact but great design with a full-color display and user interface that ensures that the rider can see their data at a glance. You can also customize its display that enables you to focus and enjoy your rides purely. It also has a feature that records your trips and sends all the relevant data via smartphone's Bluetooth connection to the eBike Connect online portal, which helps you keep track of all your adventures. Bosch Kiox can also connect with a heart rate monitor via Bluetooth to enable the rider to get the most out of their training. These features make Kiox the best acquaintance for athletic and connected biking adventures. The installation of Kiox to your e-bike is also very easy and secure because of the magnetic mount. It also has a small eyelet on the bottom edge which can be used to attach a strap. Like, subscribe, and click the bell to be notified whenever Technify posts new videos. If you enjoyed watching this video, then there is a good chance you will like one of these 2 videos, so click on one of them right now. If you are watching from your mobile device, you can view the next video by clicking the link in the description or the pinned comment below. See you on the other side!